Welcome to a new video about Termux. This time we are going to see how to configure the terminal to make it look much nicer. The first thing is to install Git and ZSH with the commands that you see below. Then we go to the first link that you will have in the description where we will download Oh-my-zsh. To do this, we go down to the installation command, copy it and paste it into Termux. Confirm that we want to change the default shell to ZSH. Now we go to the second link to download the theme Powerlevel10k for ZSH. Go down to the installation steps, copy the command and paste it into Termux. Now we have to change the ZSH configuration file and tell it to use the theme we just installed. To do this, we open the .zshrc file and change the line where it says ZSH_theme with what you see on the screen. Save the changes and exit with the key combination Ctrl+O and Ctrl+X. For the changes to be applied, we have to exit Termux. When we re-enter Termux, we will have several questions to configure the Powerlevel10k theme to our liking. We simply select the options that we like and answer the questions according to our interests. After installing the terminal theme, we have to install the LSD program that changes the ls command for a more aesthetic version with icons. To do this, we use the command that you see on the screen. Now we create an alias in ZSH so that when we use the ls command, LSD is used instead. To do this, we open the file .zshrc, go down to the part where the aliases are, and add the following line. To finish the tutorial, we are going to install a tool that allows us to change the terminal colors. Go to the third link that you have in the description and copy the installation command in Termux. Navigate to the folder that has just been downloaded and install the utility with the following command. Once termux-style has been installed, we can call it with this command. Select the option you want. In this case, we are going to change only the colors, so we select C. Select a color scheme from the list, and it will be applied automatically. Be careful with changing the font because both Powerlevel10k and LSD need a font to display the icons.